honey butter, garlic glazed, steak bites. Let me repeat that for you in case you ain't hear me in the back. Honey butter, garlic glazed, steak bites. These are absolutely out of this world when it comes to flavor. I'm talking smacking. And they are so easy to make, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So we are gonna begin here with two beautiful boneless ribeye steaks. All we're gonna do here is just slice them into bite-sized chunks. Very simple, very easy. Grab your knife and get to cutting. And let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite cut of steak? Do you like the ribeye? Do you like the filet? Do you like the New York strip? Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. For me, you can never go wrong with a ribeye. This is definitely my go-to whenever I feel like cooking some steak or eating it out at a restaurant. So next, we're gonna just drizzle a little bit of oil onto our steak and rub it on in. And you know we gotta season it up proper. So on the screen, I have listed what you need to do so, and it will be listed in the description box as well for you to reference to. Everything will always be in the description box. So go ham, go crazy, season that steak like your life depends on it. Don't ever be stingy with the seasoning. That's the motto that we live by. You know what I mean? So once you have your steak seasoned up, you want to go ahead and grab a cast iron skillet, crank it up until it's smoking hot. You know what I'm saying? Drizzle a little bit of oil into the pan, and we are gonna cook this steak oh so beautifully. So what we're looking to do here is just get a nice sear on each side of our steak bites. And once we have that beautiful sear, we're gonna remove it from the heat and work on our sauce. So our heat is about pretty much to a medium high, I would say. Like I said, I have my oil in the pan, and it takes nothing but a couple minutes to get a nice beautiful color on your steak. I'm gonna end up cooking my steak in 2 batches because with the pan I'm using, not the pan itself, but the actual portable stove I'm using, I have that hot spot right in the middle. So I'm gonna cook it in 2 separate batches. So once I have my first batch taken care of, I'm gonna remove it from the heat and work on my next one. But we're gonna fast forward past that part, and we're gonna get right into that amazing honey butter garlic glaze sauce. When I tell you that sauce is hitting, when I tell you that sauce is bussin', the words just almost don't do it justice. I'm letting you know. Go ahead and drop a little bit of minced garlic into your pan. You want to drop down the heat to about a medium. Drop in some unsalted butter. Very important to use unsalted, especially with us using soy sauce in this recipe. So go ahead and drop in that honey, and last but not least, that soy sauce. So soy sauce obviously has a lot of sodium in it, so you don't want to put salt on top of salt. So make sure you're using unsalted butter, guys. So get all of that into your pan, mix it all up. Once your sauce is ready to go, we're gonna reintroduce that steak that we have sitting off to the side. Go ahead and reintroduce our steak. At this point, our steak is kind of at like, I would say, a medium rare ish, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna kind of cook it to your liking. I'm also dropping in a little bit of parsley into the pan. You're gonna cook it to your liking, and you're gonna also coat it in the sauce as well. Obviously, you're gonna mix it up, and depending on how you like your steak will determine how long it stays in the pan right here. Some people like their steak medium, some like it medium rare, some like it well done. Whatever your preference is, you're gonna kind of leave it in the pan till it gets to your desired temperature, and remove it and grab your finest china up out of the cabinet and plate up just like your boy did. Stack it nice and tall, and get ready to bust down and have some of the best steak you ever had in your life. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you have, make sure you hit the subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave a like, of course, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And also want to let you guys know I have a secondary channel where it's more of personal content, vlogs, pranks and other stuff like that. It is called Live It Up with Jay. Make sure you check that out as well. Check out my community tab. I probably left like a recent video. I just came from Key West. It was a lot of fun. If you're interested, feel free to check that out. So I'll see you all on the next one. Deuces.